For today's grilled chicken ciabatta sandwich, we need a little preparation. First, season a chicken steak. It's basically a boneless chicken leg with some SPG, salt, pepper, garlic. Put it on. Second side, other side as well. Next, we prepare the balsamic tomato. Take a needle, a fork or whatever, a small paring knife, and tuck a couple of holes in it so they won't explode later. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil over it and some balsamic glaze. If you want to know how to make balsamic glaze, please let me know in the comments and I might make a video for the balsamic glaze. So that's done with the preparation. Now heat up the barbecue. So temperatures up to 200 degrees Celsius, which is I guess roughly around 400 Fahrenheit. First thing which goes on is the tomatoes. It will take around 20 to 30 minutes. So the tomatoes on now 20 minutes, they're looking good. So next it's time to get the chicken on. I'll give it a little splash of oil. And place the chicken on, skin side down first. So, time to prepare the buns. Cut in half. And layer them with butter. So, time to give the chicken a flip. Get the tomatoes out of the way. Get the buns on. Time to build the buns. All looking fantastic. So get the buns up on the rack. So, time to get some flavor on the chicken. Fresh parsley, fresh from my herb garden, and on top a slice of cheese. Same goes for the other one. So, getting the buns out. Give the cheese a few minutes. While the cheese melts, we give the buns a little bit of coating with pesto. Cheese is nicely melted over. Time for assembly. Here we go, the first one. Here comes the second one. Tomatoes are ready to go. Remove the veins. Final part from the assembly. Get your balsamic tomatoes a little bit squashed. Put on top. And put the bun on top. And here we go. Okay, now we have the final tasting. It looks absolutely delicious. It smells. So let's have a bite. Oh my god. A combination of the pesto, a sweet vinegary balsamic tomatoes. It's just lovely. Cheers again.